I got interested in this project because it was a great opportunity for me to make a difference in this world earlier rather than later.
So I mainly got interested in this project because of the technological engineering aspect of it.
From very childhood, I have been interested in engineering, and when this project came up, I thought there was a great opportunity to pursue.
The most interesting aspect of this project for me was getting involved in a humanities and sciences project.
This project appealed to me mainly because of its chemistry and design aspect.
In the beginning of year 2011, we as an engineering club at Northview decided to take on the Reinvent the Toilet Challenge by the Global Ideas Institute at the University of Toronto. It was in collaboration with Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. The goal of the project was to reinvent the toilet for use in developing countries that was both waterless and hygienic, as well as safe and affordable. Because most of us were science students, our main focus throughout our project was on the technological design. Throughout the project, we visited the University of Toronto several times to listen to lectures led by professors of different areas of expertise to assist and guide us in our thinking and research process. Upon completion of our presentation in April, we received ample commendation for our project, and with the assistance of student mentors at the University of Toronto, we have decided to research further on the project to develop a more concrete design and implementation plan for the project.
Initially, we all became interested in this project because of the science aspect and the prospect of finally applying the little knowledge we had in the real world. However, as we continued on with the project, we learned about the social sciences and the business aspect, which were both equally important as the science aspect for the success of our project. Our interest in the project increased because it became an interdisciplinary task and allowed us to learn and work in a way more resembling the real world rather than the single disciplinary method used in school. Another great aspect about this project is that we're gaining and applying knowledge to make a difference on a global scale, which is something we as youth are very passionate about, but also something that's quite difficult to get involved in at our age. This opportunity is something that allows us to combine our passion for engineering and the humanities as well as our passion to make a change in the world earlier in our lives rather than later.
We intend to carry out further research in both the public policy and the engineering aspect of the toilet with the help of student mentors and professors from the University of Toronto and possibly other professional advisors if possible, so that we can develop a more concrete implementation plan and design of our toilet project. Our end goal is to present our findings at a TEDx Youth Conference. By doing so, we hope that we can have some sort of a social impact, whether that be direct or indirect, in improving the sanitation conditions in the global south.
We remain optimistic about further possibilities after the TEDx Youth Conference, whatever that may encompass. And even if the project yields infeasible, we hope that we can learn and improve from our experiences and hopefully apply skills we acquired during this project in future endeavors. We are very enthusiastic about furthering this project as much as possible so that we can have the largest positive social impact possible.
This project will require assistance in a few different aspects. It's likely that we'll need to carry out some of our own research in both the public policy and technological design areas of this project. To carry out the research successfully and efficiently, we would require a lot of mentorship from various fields to assist us. Furthermore, after presenting our refined project at TEDx Youth Conference, we hope that we can request organizations such as Engineers Without Borders or MARS to provide us with further feedback. People and organizations can greatly assist us on our project merely by providing us with their suggestions and valuable time.